My name is Becca. I have MOG antibody disease, and because of that, I've lost vision in my right eye and a little bit in my left. I use some techniques to manage this, especially when it comes to technology, when it comes to being in crowded places, and dealing with low lighting situations that I might encounter. With my phone, I use dark mode so that it's black background and white text. I also enlarge the text on the phone, and I have the feature to be able to zoom in. So with that, it's in the settings of the iPhone. You have to use 3 fingers and you double tap, and it makes everything a lot larger and more accessible. On my computer, I don't use dark mode, but I do enlarge the cursor, and I make the cursor black, so the background's white and the cursor's black and very large, so I can always see it. When I use other people's computers, when they have a white cursor, what I do is pull it all the way to a corner, and then I can follow the cursor. For crowded places, the most trouble I have is on my right side because I am completely blind on that side. So I do something that might look a little bit silly to some people, but I put my arm out on my right side so that when people walk past me, they'll hit my right arm instead of hitting my body or my face if my head is turned. If I have a bag that I can put on the right side, I will do that. And I tend to stick to the furthest right of the street. Low light situations can be tricky, and I will say it's usually helpful to have someone with me. So if I know I'm meeting someone out at a restaurant that might have low lighting or at a concert or something like that, I will ask the person I'm going with to meet me in a location that I know I'll be able to see them well, and they might be able to help me with that. Obviously, this isn't always possible. I do use the flashlight on my phone a lot, and a regular small flashlight might be just as beneficial. Airports are another challenging place for me. I have a pin that says, "I have low vision, please be patient." I bought that pin on Amazon, and I typed in low vision pin, and there's lots of different colors, and I put that on my backpack, and when I go through TSA, the people can see that on my bag, so they've been a little bit less rude since I've started using that. You can wear it on a hat or on a bag. It's been helpful for me.